Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Stratus Forecast Weather channel. Today we will be talking about Tropical Depression Sara, or Tropical Depression 19, but it's technically Sara. So what we're going to be going over today is my honest predictions of where this thing is going to go and if it's going to become a major hurricane or not. So let's get right into it. So currently, as we take a look at the satellite loop here on Tropical Tidbits, you can see it doesn't look like the most organized system I've ever seen, but there's some convection wrapping around the system, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of rotation right in here. So that's that. So Tropical Depression 19, or Tropical Depression Sara, is expected to go over the continent or the Mexico area, and then is expected to head northwest, and around Tuesday AM it should be somewhere where we had Hurricane Milton, I believe. I could get that wrong, but Hurricane Milton. And so we have a few different scenarios. So the first one we can have is this takes a wide turn to the west and wraps around like this. We could have another situation where it goes somewhere out like this, or it could follow this exact track. Whoops. But I think basically if it takes a track like this, we're going to have more of a chance of seeing a major hurricane. If it takes a track more like this, there's a chance of it, but it's not very high. And then if we take a track like this, it's just going to weaken, and it's not going to strengthen at all, really. It's just going to remain over land. But that's that. So we'll go over the GFS model for this right now. So currently, you can't really see it here, but you'll see it in a minute. So we have a digging trough right here. This guy right here, this is moving this way. And you're going to continue to see this moving offshore. And there's another trough right here, and another one right here. This one's bringing snow to Canada. So basically, as we time it out, as you can see, that's going to march off to the offshore, and then this high pressure built in. You can see the outer bands of the tropical depression right here. So there's that. So as we take a look at the ECMWF model, you can see, watch this. So there's going to be this secondary low pressure system right here that's going to basically going to grab this tropical depression, and watch it as it builds. It's going to grab it, and it's just going to tear it apart. I think this could be one of the scenarios, but I don't see it happening. So you're probably wondering, which one is it? Well, it's actually where's the tropical depression, you might be asking? It is right here, and this is moving this way. So as we continue to go through, and so basically what's happening here is you're having a high pressure blocking it right here. There's a high pressure right here, and then this is your tropical depression right here, which is not really even a tropical depression at this point. It's basically just disorganized area of showers and thunderstorms. So there's a high pressure. This is going to move this way as we play through it's going to move that way. This is this tropical depression right here moving this way, and then this is the front right here. This is what we're watching. Snow on the back end, because we have cold air digging down from this high pressure. It's ushering cold air from the northwest, wrapping around the entire thing, and this could be pretty heavy snow. So as you'll see, this could be a significant snow maker. And then it's going to grab this right here, is going to grab this entire thing and just pull it this way. This is why we see kind of a Fujiwara effect possibly with the system. You can see heavy snow on the back end mixing in there, and then you get all this rain. And this could also bring a severe weather threat, I can definitely see that. But as we continue on, there goes the front, and then it moves on, and then there's that. So what I'm looking at is the shear. So the shear could be one of the main reasons that rips this storm apart, but let's see. So here comes the second trough right there. You can see it right there. Here's the low pressure system right about here, and this is the trough. And then it's gonna, there's that, and then it's gonna grab it and then swing it up there. So, but it's hard to tell because if we take a look at the moisture, I'm not seeing a whole ton of dry air with this. So, and if we take a look at the water temperatures right here, you're seeing much above average. I mean, you're seeing 84 degrees, 83 degrees, and this is very above normal. So if this depression is going right into the same spot the Hurricane Milton developed into a Category 5 hurricane, I think we could see a similar situation. So, as you can see, there's not much dry air. This is the storm right here. I mean, there's not a whole lot of dry air. This is dry air, and this is dry air. So we're not seeing a whole, I don't see how this could weaken. And if we take a look at the temperatures, they don't really drop. They're relatively high. As you can see, they don't really drop this entire spot right here. And with this storm possibly going this way, this way, this way, or this way, it's going to dissipate going this way because it's reaching land right here. But it's got plenty of spot to develop right here. So as we continue, and then I'm sure you can find the front here. All this cold air is going to drive in from a high pressure system. All this cold air ushering down. This is the cold front right here, moving this way. And if we line it up correctly, you'll see. Oh. There's the cold front, see? Right there. So we have cold air going in from this side, and we have, and if we can get a strong enough storm to develop, I can see some severe weather happening down in Texas right here. But if these sea temperatures can, remain in the 80s, then we could easily see major rapid intensification with this storm system. And it doesn't really matter if it takes this turn, or this turn, because either way you're going into warm water. As you can see, this is all warm water. So I honestly think we could either see, and just because it's being picked up by a front doesn't mean we can't see rapid intensification, because as you can see, the front doesn't come in through until right there, and it's actually behind the cold front until it gets dragged up. So tell me what you guys think, but I honestly think we could see rapid intensification with this system, easily a major hurricane out of the system with the warm waters in the Gulf of Mexico. And we're obviously probably not going to see this system because it's obviously, you know, going this way to the west. But you can still see that circular, and look at all these convection right there, right here, and all right here. So we could easily see a major hurricane out of this. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today, so make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another upload. And yeah, without further ado, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.